Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Emmanuel and today I'm gonna show you the rest of the features this fantastic photo editor has, the Photoscape X. It's a freeware photo editor where you can create beautiful edits on your photography and do some digital art with these special effects. On my latest videos I already showed you the special effects. Another cool feature to turn your portrait photos professional portrait photos with this beautiful bokeh. It's called miniature if you don't have a lens of 2.8 or 1.4. And today I'm gonna show you the basic editing where some things this app does automatically for you, so you don't have to do it manually if you're new to photography. So let's dive in.
Okay, that's the interface of the Photoscape X, and here I have this image, this portrait of a flower, and I shot this image, believe it or not, with the camera of my iPhone 12 Pro Max, an old iPhone now, and it turned out to be very beautiful portrait with a bit of editing. Fortunately, iPhone has a portrait lens, so I can take some beautiful portraits. I don't need to carry my big lens with me. And with a bit of editing, I created this image. Just to clarify now, if you saw this image again, I'm on Spotify, I play music, compose music, and I use this image as a cover art for my song. If you saw this image, it's my image. My name on Spotify is Simnaul Varnas. But this channel is not about music, so let's continue. And let's go to the adjustments here. Auto color. I already showed this to you on another video. It changes the color automatically. Auto contrast, the same. If you don't like the color of your subject, you can do it automatically. And sharpen, it here we can use the slides here, threshold, amount. Let's hit apply, sharp the image a bit. Add noise, I wouldn't recommend that. Just use it on landscapes, it creates a nice touch. Reduce noise, I told you on my other video, first use the color noise. It removes the color noise of the image, and then use the luminance noise. Actually, it makes the image a bit soft sometimes, but it removes a lot of the ISO if you shot it at 1600s and above. Let's hit apply button. Let's go to soften skin. This works for portraits. The haze, ideal for landscapes. Point color. Now we have a beautiful black and white image, and we can arrange here the colors, what color we like. Yeah, background saturation, foreground saturation, but I don't like this edit, so I'm gonna keep this. We can use the arrow keys here to undo if we did something wrong. Yeah, okay, I already did that. Let's hit apply button. Let's go now to white balance. Hit apply, it changes the balance automatically for you. And let's go to color fill. I showed this to you in my other video. You can change the color of your background if you're not satisfied with the image, but I'm not going to cover that. Go check it on my other video. Just so you can see in the rest of the videos I made. Yeah. Okay, just we can go here to delete. It creates a nice touch to the image. Amount, I'm sorry, I don't know what the word means. I'm not an English, like you noticed. Curves, unfortunately, this is a must feature for every portrait photographer out there. If you shoot portraits, then with curves you can brighten up the image a lot. But unfortunately, this feature is for premium users only. You have to pay the Photoscape X some subscription to unlock the rest of the features. Downside here, but I use Affinity for that, which is 100% free, and I can do another tutorial on my next video how to use curves. Color balance, selective color, remove color cast, and gradient fill all locked. Then go to auto level. Here it brighten up the image. Sorry about that. It's a bit too much here. Surrealistic, it's like an HDR, but it's a bit too much. Use it for experimental purposes only. Blur, we can blur the photo. Here we have box blur, lens blur, median, and lateral blur, and radius. How much blur we want to use on our picture. Then we have here film grain. We can add some grain on our image, just like in the old movies. I'm not going to do that. This pen, this speckle, something like that. Yep. Bokeh blur. Yeah, another way to add some bokeh on our photo and make it look an artistic picture. Shadows, highlights, you'll know what this does. It's on the edits too of this photo. And then we have replace color. This is one of the good features here. We can replace any color we like. Now we have a blue color. And here is a big slider here. We can arrange the colors. And now we have a purple red thing, and it looks like a work of art. Very beautiful. Let's keep this. I love the result here. Then we have vignette. If we want to add some vignette here, vignette. Apply pattern fill. Another cool feature, we have a list of patterns here and textures. We can add some patterns in front of our photograph or illustration and to make it look like a digital art. This is ideal for portrait work and faces. Go and use it. There is a big list here of icons, polygons, shapes and patterns, all free. Let's go to edits. Erode, something like that. Amount here, it creates some nice touch on our photo. It's like a bit of contrast. Levels, but levels is locked unfortunately, and the rest of the features are locked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 features. Unfortunately, they are locked. Well, I guess they have to make something because they gave too much of these effects free. I don't blame them. We can now save this image if we like the result. Save as. And nope, I wrote it in another language. Flower 2, and we have flower 2. And let's go now to this image here. That's the portrait image of the Guess Who. Her first name starts with an A and the last name starts with a K. And if you guessed it, you win the new iPhone. Write it on the comments down below. I'm kidding, of course. That's Anna Kendrick, the Hollywood actress. I saw Anna Kendrick in 2012 in London at the film premiere. I used to play with film premieres back then. Took some nice videos of the Hollywood actors on the red carpet. And then I got into photography. I stopped doing that for some years now. And this image, I shot it with a Nikon, with a Nokia N8, a cell phone, believe it or not. Another great photo I shot with a phone instead of a camera. And it turned out to be very good, but I didn't sell it on stock sites or some agency to sell it because I didn't want to. So I found it after many years, 14 years later. I found it on my hard drive, and here is the picture of Anna Kendrick. She looked beautiful with a beautiful smile. And let's edit the image after 14 years. Let's go to auto color and replace the color. Auto contrast. Same here. Reduce noise and soften skin. And this feature is ideal for portraits, like I told you. It creates a soft effect on the skin of the person. Let's hit apply. And then white balance. Let's hit apply. Auto levels. And here change the image to another color. More interesting. And that's a beautiful portrait of the Hollywood actress Anna Kendrick. And now I can save the image. Let's go to Save As. Let's hit Anna Kendrick 4 and Save As. Okay, here's another picture. I took this picture on the Christmas of 2022. These are tasty cookies on a plate on a Christmas table. And I shot this with my Sony camera. And let's go here to replace color. And now we have light blue cookies instead of orange or yellow. And there is a big slider here. Once we slide these colors, and now we have blue cookies on a table, and we can arrange any color we like and change the color of our subject. And we can hit apply button. That's the other image I created earlier. And so you can show this to your friends, and they say, "Oh, where did you get these cookies from? They look delicious. I'm gonna go out and buy them." Of course, they cannot buy them because they're not on the market yet, at least not on this color. Okay guys, this was the tutorial. I want to show you about these effects on these extra effects and edits on Photoscape X, one of the best photo editors out there, totally free. Well, not everything they're free, unfortunately, but that's why there is another awesome photo editor called Affinity, 100% free. But with this photo editor you can create a lot of digital art and make some beautiful edits in your photography. I advise you to keep your photographs as authentic as they can get. Try to use these images for artistic purposes only. And please mention this is like a digital art, not the original photo I created. That's at least what I'm doing with my photographs. If you want to follow this advice, if you don't, that's okay. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment if you like my videos or you don't like them, if you like these edits or you're not a fan of these edits. And I hope I can see you in my next video. Take care and bye.